how to apply filters in a video in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can apply filters to any Canva video. So in order to start, you can see that I have this blank video file right here in my Canva application. So in order to start, let me add a sample video to this design. So in order to add a video, I'm going to click onto this elements tab, and from here choose any video. So for example, let's say this video right here. So let me quickly right click onto this video and click onto this set video as background so that it applies or uses the entire space available. Now we will attempt to apply filters into this video. So in order to apply filters into this video, what you will need to do is simply click onto this video, and from here you have this option that says edit. So simply click onto this edit button on this toolbar, and from here you have these different options. Now if you will scroll, you can see this option that says filters. So here are the filters that are available to apply. If you want to have a better look at them, you can click onto this see all button, and from here you can have a preview of how the video is going to look. So here are all the different types of filters which are available to apply, like natural filters, warm filters, cool filters, vivid filters, soft filters, vintage filters, and mono filters, and color pop filters as well. So for example, let me add any filter. For example, let's say the Eldar that comes into a vivid, and you can also choose to set the intensity of the filter. So for example, if the filter is very overwhelming, you can set its intensity by reducing it or increasing it as per your liking. So once you are done, you can see that the filter has been successfully applied into our video. You can choose any filter that you want. So that's how easily you can add a filter into your video in Canva. Also, if you want to remove filter, you can click onto this none button so that the filter will be successfully removed from the video in your Canva. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. To tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.